Cheilitis or chapped lips is a very common condition in which the lips become dry, sore, and even cracked. However, some highly effective home remedies can help you in dealing with chapped lips. As we all know, the skin on our lips is very sensitive and thinner, and you have to be very careful about it by protecting it against the sun, cold, and dry air. This video will describe the most natural remedies for chapped lips that will help you for sure. Number 1. Lip Balm. Lip balms are highly beneficial for dry lips as they are packed with natural skin moisturizing ingredients. Moreover, the additional menthol and mint flavor present in lip balms also provide a good taste without making you uncomfortable while using it. However, it's also recommended to avoid using any scented lip balms as they contain excessive chemicals that are not healthy for the sensitive skin on the lips. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains some effective vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are beneficial for dry, damaged, and dehydrated lips as well. If you don't have an aloe vera plant in your garden, then you can buy some reliable aloe vera gels which are also quite beneficial for chapped lips. Number 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very rich source of anti-inflammatory properties that are also effective for dealing with chapped lips. Coconut oil combats inflammation caused by chapped lips and tackles dry skin, which is a root cause of chapped lips. If your skin is rough and hard, then you can also use coconut oil for this purpose. Number 4. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is one of the most common ingredients used in almost every lip balm. But if you are not willing to use lip balm for chapped lips for some reason, then you can consider petroleum jelly as an excellent alternative to that. Petroleum jelly prevents dry lips and acts as a barrier to lock the moisture inside the lips. However, if you feel that your skin is allergic to petroleum jelly, you should stop using it immediately and consider any other remedy. Number 5. Honey. Honey is an excellent home remedy for chapped lips because it helps to moisturize the lips naturally. Honey is also a rich source of healing properties that may help to deal with lip sores and cracks caused by dry lips. Moreover, these sores and cracks can sometimes cause bacterial infection. Using honey will also eliminate the chances of any possible bacterial infection due to its antibacterial properties. Number 6. Drink more water. Dehydration is also one of the most common causes of dry lips because keeping the lips dry can trigger chapped lips every time. Whenever our body is dehydrated, the skin cells also reduce the tendency to store water. This whole process can cause dryness, sores, and cracks on skin-sensitive areas such as lips. It's highly recommended to increase your water intake and make sure that you're drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. Conclusion. We hope these effective home remedies for chapped lips will help you to overcome this annoying condition. Remember, chapped lips aren't any serious medical condition, but if it's left untreated, it may impact the natural color and beauty of your lips. Don't hesitate to share your feedback with us.